What's up guys, and I just found my ex. It's time to take a look at the phone, which very well be the best phone. Like, I'm not kidding, this phone is way ahead of its time. And let's just quickly get this out of the box. And speaking of the box, it's actually very simple looking. As you can see, PK, this is the Pakistani variant. This one actually got officially announced here, and I was at the event of the Oppo Find X. I got the chance to try it out. So the retail unit might have a little bit different box, but yeah, this is pretty simple. And let's get right into the phone. And as you can see, it is looking absolutely gorgeous. We have the Find X logo on the back, the Oppo logo on the back, and of course on the front it is just display. Wow, it feels super premium in hand. I gotta say, Oppo has done it when it comes to the design and everything. And like I said, this is the best looking phone you can buy. We're gonna take a look at why I say that it's the best looking phone you can buy. Let's quickly go through what we get inside the box. So got the Oppo headphones in a really good looking packaging. And there's actually a Type-C to 3.5mm jack, which means that this phone is not having the headphone jack. So that's that. And finally in the box, we have the Oppo fast charger, the Vogue charger they have. This is, I think, as fast as the OnePlus Dash charging. It's probably one of the most fastest charging phones we have on the market. Now let's take a look at the star of the show, which is the Oppo Find X. We'll start by booting this phone up, and as you can see, the Oppo logo powered by Android. Now, this thing has a 6.4-inch display, and with a, oh my god, look at that display. I'm gonna stop and just look at the future in my hand, because this thing is way ahead of its time. And to be honest, I don't care how they achieve it, you know, the sacrifice they have made. It has motorized cameras, which obviously sacrifices the durability, but this thing is amazing. Wow. Let me just crack that brightness all the way to the max and look at this beautiful display. As I was saying, this is a 6.42-inch display, Super AMOLED 1080 by 2430 resolution, and it's having a record-breaking 93% screen-to-body ratio, which is incredible. Now, taking a look at the bottom of the phone, we have the SIM card tray, a USB Type-C connector for charging the phone, and the speaker. We get volume rocker on the left and a power button on the right, and on the top we have the motorized camera tech, which goes up as soon as we launch the camera. So in general look, you won't be able to see the front camera or the back camera. Everything is hidden. But as soon as you launch the camera application, those motorized cameras pop up like magic. As you can see, we have a 25 megapixel front camera right there. And if we take a look at the back, we have a 16 plus 20 megapixel camera combination with f2.0 aperture. And guys, this looks absolutely incredible. You know, every time you launch the camera, seeing those motorized cameras popping up, it's really incredible. They definitely brought the future early. This is what your eventual Apple iPhone or other Samsung phone will look like. Everyone is moving towards this bezel-less race. Oppo has done it early, but with some added sacrifices like having the motorized parts, so it's not as durable as your other traditional phones. And as we have seen with the J-Rig everything video, it's also not that good with bending. So, but despite all that, I absolutely love this phone. And I would say, hands down, this is the best looking phone we have right now. It's using a curved Super AMOLED display from Samsung, and as we have known that Samsung makes the best OLED displays, so it's using the top of the line display, and it's having no limits. Under the hood, we have the latest and the greatest Snapdragon 845 processor with 8GB of RAM, so it's completely packed with power. We're going to be testing out its speed in the future videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for that. It's rocking Android 8.1 Oreo, which is pretty good. The latest version we have, the latest stable version we have, with 256GB of storage, and out of that you'll get 225GB available. And the ColorOS version is 5.1. So again, similar UI as iOS. A lot of things are similar. If you look at the camera UI, a lot of things are similar to that. So I mean, they have done it with the design, but I would definitely expect them to now move forward with the software as well. And this is a big powerhouse phone. That's why it's having a really big battery as well. 3700 milliamp hour cell is inside of this phone. I can't wait to test it out. And as far as the security of this phone is concerned, there is no fingerprint scanner anywhere. It's actually having a 3D facial scanner with those motorized cameras. So you have to enroll your face, and once you do that, you can just unlock your phone by just swiping up, and it's just takes the data of your face and unlocks your phone. It is unlike anything they ever used on any other Oppo phone previously. So it is a 3D facial scanner, meaning it will be more secure than the previous 2D scanners that they have used. So a full look at the Oppo Find X. My overall thoughts are this is definitely the best looking phone. The future is here. It's looking amazing. And yes, with their sacrifices and everything, but I gotta say they have done it, and it's amazing not having to see the notch on the display. It's amazing to just see the display everywhere going all the way to the top and the bottom. It does have a little bit of chin. Again, I will be doing my full testing. I will be doing my review. I'll be doing comparisons. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.